So here we have a two-part question where we've been asked to factorise and then sketch a graph of a quadratic. Now we know, because we've been asked to sketch that quadratic, that we're probably going to be able to put it into brackets. So we need to put x squared minus 7x minus 18 into brackets. And we know that we start with two brackets and an x in each. The next thing we need to do is find two numbers that multiply together to give us 18 and add together to give us a 7. So we know that we're going to have a 9 and a 2, though one of them is going to be negative. So if we put in the 9 and put in the 2, we then need to work out which one's going to be positive and which one's going to be negative. Now because we have a negative here, and 9, which is the bigger number, is going to be negative, so we fill in x plus 2 and x minus 9. So now we've been asked to sketch the graph of y equals x squared minus 7x minus 18, and we've done quite a lot of the hard work already. We know that it factorises to x plus 2 and x minus 9. And we also should know that when we sketch this, so to find the coordinates of where it crosses the x-axis, that's where y equals 0. So all the points that we're actually looking for are minus 2 and 9. They're the points where it crosses the x-axis. The only other coordinate we need to find is where it crosses the y-axis, and to do that we're going to substitute in x equals 0 into our original equation. So we get y equals 0 squared minus 7 lots of 0 minus 18, or y equals minus 18. So we know that the point it crosses the y-axis is at minus 18. Once we've done that and we're happy, we join them up with a smooth curve, and this doesn't have to be perfect. And the final thing that you need to do is remember to label the points that you've crossed the axes at. So we're at minus 2 here, 9 here, and minus 18 down here. And that's the question finished.